Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify identity on Bet365. Bet365 takes its responsibility seriously to protect both its customers and the wider public. Part of this responsibility is preventing fraudulent activity and money laundering, which is why verifying your identity is very necessary. While it may seem like an extra step, it is a secure measure that ensures your account is safe and helps protect everyone's funds. To verify your identity, Bet365 needs to confirm your full name, date of birth, and address. This is usually done by uploading two documents in the verification section of the app. First, open the Bet365 app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. Then, tap on the user account icon from the homepage. After that, go to the My Account and then tap on the verification. Here, you will see a list of documents required to verify your account. If your account is already verified, it will indicate that it is fully verified. To complete verification, you can use documents such as passport or driver's license to confirm your name and date of birth. For your address, a utility bill, council tax bill, or bank statement can be used, as long as it shows your full name and current address. Bet365 is heavily regulated and continuously monitors account activity to ensure customers are gambling responsibly. If you are placing large stakes, making significant deposits, or showing unusual betting behavior, Bet365 may require enhanced verification. This process may involve submitting wage slips, bank statements, or other proof of income to confirm your financial capacity. These checks are meant to protect your account, prevent fines for Bet365, and help reduce the number of problem gamblers. If the verification requirements are not satisfied, Bet365 may apply restrictions on your account, such as limiting deposits, stakes, or access to certain betting features. Therefore, it is important to provide accurate documents and stay in control of your gambling activity. Bet365 also offers gambling controls, which you can enable to set limits on your deposits, stakes, and betting activity to help manage your gambling responsibly. By carefully following these steps and submitting the correct documents, you can successfully verify your Bet365 account and continue betting safely without any interruptions. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.